Here is a GE 7-4640A clock radio from 1978. I rescued this today and attempted to repair it. As you'll see here, the volume is a little crackly, as they would say. Tuning seems to work just fine, but when I go to adjust the volume, this is the wonderful sound you'll get. So let's see if I can fix this and make it work again. Well, as you heard just a few seconds ago, whenever I adjusted the volume, you'd really hear that good old crackle. So what I did is I took it apart, gave it a good cleaning inside and out, and let's turn it on and see what happens. Well, we have the radio light up, and let's adjust that volume and see what it sounds like.
Today is Veterans Day. 2019, we stand in honor.
Volume works fine, up and down. Tuning the stations, I've turned the volume up so we can hear what we're going tuning.
Tens of millions of Americans will feel
Works just fine. After a good cleaning, this thing almost looks as good as it when it was new back in 1978. Hope you enjoyed.